Hello students, welcome again to all of you in your favorite YouTube channel Maths Guru Alchemista. Today I am going to start another question from lesson quadratic equation from class 10 CBSE board book. And question is, if one root of the quadratic equation 3x square plus bx plus 4 equals 0 is 2 upon 3, means there is a quadratic equation and its root is 2 upon 3. After that, then find the value of p and other root of equation. There is a quadratic equation is given to us and its root is this. After that, we have to find the value of p. P is this and its value we have to find out, and we have to also find out the other root of the quadratic equation. So this is our question. So here we have to given only one statement on, and there is a one thing in this statement that there is a quadratic equation and this is root, means the 2 upon 3 value 2 upon 3 is the root of this equation. If so, we can write how we can solve it. How we can solve it, that how we can find out the value of p and how we can find out the value of other root. So finding out the value of p and other root, we have to take the help whatever we have to given. We have to given the root of this equation is 2 upon 3. So we will take only help of this statement. We can write if 2 upon 3 is the root of given quadratic equation that is 3x square plus px plus 4 equal 0, means if 2 upon 3 is given to us, 2 upon 3 is the root of this equation, so it will satisfy. So it will satisfy 5. So putting x equal 2 upon 3 in the given quadratic equation. That is, so we can write quadratic equation was 3x square plus px plus 4 equals 0. So we can write x equal 2 upon 3 in the given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is this, because 2 upon 3 was the root of this equation. So wherever there is x, we can put x equal 2 upon 3 in that equation. Okay, so write down like this: 3 value of x equal 2 upon 3, that is 2 upon 3 square plus px, that is p into 2 upon 3 plus 4 equal 0. All of we know very well that 3 and square of this will be 2 to the 4 upon 3, this is 9. 4 upon 9 plus 2p upon 3 plus 4 equals 0. After that, if we cut it, 3 is a 9, that is 4 upon 3 plus 2p upon 3 plus 4 upon 1 equal 0. After that, we can write there is denominator 3, then denominator is 3, denominator is 1. So we will take the LCM, that is 3. 3 1 3, that is 4 plus 3 1 3, that is 2p plus 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12 equals 0. Now 12 plus 4 equals 16. 16 plus 2p equal 0 into 3, that is 16 plus 2p equal 0. So 2p equal minus 16. After that, equal, value of p equal minus 16 upon 2. So 2 8 ja 16. P equal minus 8. So value of p equal minus 8. In the question we have to find out the value of p. Value of p is minus 8. After that we have to find the other root of the given equation. So all of you know very well, if there are two roots, then we can find out the sum and the multiplication of the roots with the formula, because there is a formula is given to us that we know very well that we know that sum of roots equal sum of roots equal minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Sum of roots equal coefficient of x upon minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So now from where we can take the sum of roots? There is one root is 2/3 is given to us in the equation in our question. So we will take first root 2/3 and there is no other root we have, so we will write another root at alpha, beta, gamma, another. So 2/3 plus alpha equal minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of x was p. So write down p. That is value of p equal minus 8. That is minus p upon coefficient of x square was 3. That is 3. Now putting p equal minus 8. P equal minus 8. So 2/3 plus alpha equal minus 8 upon 3. So 2/3 plus alpha equal minus plus 8/3. 8/3. So we can write alpha equal 8/3 minus 2/3. So alpha equal 8 minus 2. Write down 8 minus 2 equals 6/3. 6/3. 3 to the 6. Alpha equal 2. So it is our another root. Here you can write let other root equal x, other root equal alpha. Write down a line. This is our answer. Okay, completed. Is there any problem? No problem. Okay. All of you can ask is if any question arises in your mind, then all of you can ask me and write down and solve another sums like this. Okay.